Hi, my name is Ben and I'm going to show you how to make a great airplane. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make the fold. You have a regular piece of paper. You want to fold it in half, like so. And for best performance, you need to crease it real hard and get these right here lined up. So now that you have it like this, you want to open it up. And now that you have this little line in the middle, it will direct you where to put these. You line them up right in the middle. Now, I didn't do it right, but you can do it a little better. So now you fold it down like this. And now that you have it like this,
who are you talking to?
I'm recording a YouTube video. Sorry, that was my sister. So now fold it like this. See, and you want the creases right here. You want the top part to be a little not completely lined up, but pretty close. And do the same thing with the other one. So then you'll end up with this little thing in the middle, and you fold that up. Now that you have it like this, you turn it. Oh, I don't think so. Turn it like this. Now that you have it like this, it should look a little something like this. This thing right here. So then you do this like any other regular paper airplane. Now that you have it like this, you open it up and it should look a little something like this. So, now that we have it like this, I'll show you how to throw it and how it glides. Sorry I didn't have the camera right. Let me go get it. Now let's try to make it glide again. Normally it will go down like that. You can make it do better tricks. Give it flaps and everything to make it do better things. My name is Ben, and I just taught you how to make a very good paper airplane. Please tell your friends about this video and please rate it. Bye.